What's poppin' F&A gang? This is gonna be a really short video, so. Every time I drive this thing and like construction workers are on the side of the road, they are always like telling me to do a pull, and sometimes I do it for them, sometimes I don't. This particular time I was leaving my office to go get lunch. This construction worker was like, I was completely out of gas, like 2 miles left. I stopped and told him, I was like, hey look, I'm gonna go get some gas, I gotta get my lunch real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll do a pull for you. All right, 2 things. You gotta be cool with being on YouTube. Okay. And you gotta hold this camera for me. Okay. Okay. Okay.
That motherfucker hit, boy. That motherfucker hit. That motherfucker hit.
What's up? Corey, Chase.
Alright. K-Bond. Appreciate it, boss.
Thank you.
Alright, man. Thanks.
See y'all around.
It's called 4-letter words.
Okay.
Come check us out.
Yeah, I will.
Most definitely.
Appreciate it. What's your name?
I'm Eddie, man.
Eddie? Chase.
Yep. Nice to meet you, dog.
Nice to meet you. Man, I love this thing. But I'm gonna say, for some reason recently, this thing definitely feels like it's a little bit slower than it normally is. I tried to do a couple of hits the other night, and it didn't seem right. No, I didn't change. I just took my hoodie off because it got hot. But check out this sweet new shirt though. Look at that. Ain't that thing sexy? God, no wonder I'm hot. I got the effing heat on. Well, I think I'm gonna end that video here. If you're new here, go down there, hit that subscribe button for me, smash that like button. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one.